Note to learner: this video provides content that will be hosted on the Ginnie Mae LMS in the near future. In this video, you will not be able to interact with screen content to include selecting pop-ups, launching resource hyperlinks, and answering knowledge check questions. Nonetheless, you will be presented with all of the content presented in the interactive e-learning training. Though the audio narration may request that you select items or buttons on the screen, please pause the video to read the content and then select play to continue with the video. When the video advances to a knowledge check, please pause the video and try to answer the question in your head. Select play to see the correct answer or answers to the question.
Welcome! The purpose of this module is to present an overview of the investor reporting workflow and timeline, aligning issuer tasks with the calendar. Select objectives to learn what you will be able to do at the end of this training. Select Next to continue when you are finished. The Reporting and Feedback System, RFS, is comprised of multiple applications to communicate workflow timelines, critical alerts, and other e-notifications, as well as enable the issuer to upload files. There are 4 types of RFS records, including the pool record, loan record, sensitive loan record, and the various loan record. MBS Guide Appendix 619, RFS Issuer Monthly Report of Pool and Loan Data, provides the detailed specifications for these records. E-notification directly supports the monthly investor reporting and related activity by providing notices and content, such as reports, documents, and files from Ginnie Mae's processing systems, for example, from RFS Exception Feedback System, the Pool Processing Systems, etc. Importantly, RFS conducts calculations for the purpose of editing, loan and pool accounting, and pool summary data. For example, interest due, schedule principal, etc. Each area of RFS will be discussed in greater detail in other training modules. For now, it is important to recognize key dates. RFS closes for the current month reporting and opens for the next month's reporting cycle on the 25th calendar day, CD, of the month for reporting on the morning of the first calendar day, even if the first calendar day is on a weekend or a holiday. The issuer submits 100% of pool and loan accounting data to the RFS by 7 p.m. Eastern Time on the second business day, BD, of each month. Select Next to continue. After the issuer files are processed, RFS feedback is posted in e-notification. The initial pre-collection notice is available on the third business day, which is based on the second business day RFS Pool Security Remaining Principal Balance, RPB. Pool Security is the pass-through entity for payment of principal and interest, P&I, to security holders. Prepayment penalties must be reported by 7 p.m. Eastern Time on the fourth business day. However, they may be reported as early as the first business day. Note that prepayment penalties are for multifamily, MF, only. The final collection notice is available on the sixth business day, which is based on the fourth business day final RFS pool record, security, RPB. Select Next to continue. For each monthly reporting period, each issuer is required to certify the monthly pool and loan data reported to Ginnie Mae. This certification must be completed using the monthly reporting certification screen located within RFS. This monthly reporting certification may be done as early as the 10th business day of the month, but no later than 7 p.m. Eastern Time on the 14th business day of the month. Select Next to continue. For Ginnie Mae 1, the G fee is drafted from your designated bank account on the 10th calendar day, CD. The P&I remittance is drafted on the 15th CD. The G fee for the Ginnie Mae 2 is drafted on the 19th calendar day, and the P&I is drafted on the 20th CD. If the calendar days are not business days, see the MBS Guide Chapter 6 and Chapter 15. On the 25th CD, RFS closes for the current month reporting and opens for the next month's reporting cycle. RFS closes on the 25th CD in order to sync up with issuer cutoff dates. Select Next to continue. Now check your understanding. Let's explore the monthly investor reporting workflow timeline items in more detail. Select each reporting item to learn more. The complete chart of all workflow items is available for your download from Resources at the top right of your screen. Select Next to continue when you are ready. Ginnie Mae 1 pools and Ginnie Mae 2 custom pools originate and are administered by a single issuer. Each month, the issuer has the responsibility for the following workflow reporting items. The P&I custodial accounts and the tax and insurance (T&I) custodial accounts must be reconciled within 30 days of the previous month's cutoff date. The test of expected P&I is a required calculation performed on all pools each month. Shortages found are funded by issuer. The fourth workflow item is the pool to security reconciliation. This is a required calculation performed on all pools each month. Select Next to continue. On a quarterly basis, issuers must submit the custodial accounts verification report between the 6th and 15th business day of March, June, September, and December. Issuers must also submit the RFS Widely Held Fixed Investment Trust WIFIT information by the 10th calendar date, CD, of January, April, July, and October. Corrections are due by the 15th calendar day of the month on a quarterly basis. On an annual basis, issuers must submit the financial statements in the Independent Public Accountant (IPA) module 90 days after the close of the issuer fiscal year. Finally, their master agreements must be submitted by December 31st. Select Next to continue. Now, try this knowledge check. Now, try this knowledge check. The goal of this training module was to provide you with a high-level overview of the pooling and investor reporting workflow items and timeline, aligning issuer tasks with the calendar. You learned about the timeline for the workflow items and the interplay with the RFS so that issuers are clear about pooling submissions and reporting tasks and corrections. You may download the complete job aid for the monthly investor reporting workflow from Resources in the upper right of your screen. Select Objectives for a review of what you should now be able to do. You may use the Exit button to leave this presentation at this time.